In this quick video, I am going to show you how to check if Samsung phone is original or not. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. So firstly, we need to open call dialer in our mobile. Once you open it, dial *#06# and once you dial it, it will immediately display your IMEI number. Alternatively, you can simply open settings in your mobile and now scroll down to the bottom and you will find about phone. Tap on it and now from here you can also see your IMEI number. Another way to find your IMEI is by checking the SIM tray or looking at the retail box the phone came in, as it's often printed there as well. Once you have the IMEI number, head over to a trusted IMEI checking website like imei.info. Enter the 15-digit IMEI number and press check IMEI. This will give you detailed information about the phone such as its model and specifications. If the details don't match up with what's advertised or the phone you have, it could indicate that the device is not original. For an extra layer of verification, visit Samsung's official support website. You can enter the IMEI or serial number there to see if the phone is registered with Samsung. Finally, always cross-check the IMEI number displayed on the phone with the one printed on the box or SIM tray. If there is any discrepancy, it's a red flag that the phone may not be genuine. So this is the complete process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.